How do you swap motorcycle clutch plates quickly? We'll show you the 10-minute method, step by step. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a crucial piece of motorcycle maintenance, the clutch plate replacement. Is your bike feeling sluggish? Experiencing that frustrating clutch slip, especially under load? Or maybe you're just due for a service. Whatever the reason, a worn clutch won't transfer power effectively, impacting performance and your riding experience. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through a professional, step-by-step clutch plate replacement. We're aiming to get you through the core process in about 10 minutes of actual hands-on work, so you can get back on the road with confidence. Before we begin, proper preparation is vital. Firstly, safety. Always work in a well-ventilated area and wear appropriate protective gear. For this procedure, you'll need a good quality socket set. Common sizes include 10mm, 12mm, 14mm, and 17mm. A torque wrench is highly recommended for reassembly, though not strictly mandatory if you're careful. You'll also need a clutch holding tool or a gear locking tool, a new clutch cover gasket, never reuse an old one, and a suitable oil drain pan. The very first mechanical step, drain your engine oil completely. Locate the drain plug, place your pan underneath, and let it all out. This prevents contamination of your workspace and ensures a cleaner job overall. With the oil drained, let's start removing components blocking access to the clutch cover. We'll begin with the exhaust. You'll typically find 2 bolts securing the header pipe near the cylinder and a main mounting bolt, often around 17mm. Remove these. Next, the kickstarter lever. If it's tight, a firm but controlled tap with a hammer on a drift or a strong screwdriver can help loosen it. Now we access the engine side cover. Locate and remove all the bolts securing it. Keep track of bolt lengths as they can vary. The cover might be sealed with old gasket material or a bit of sticking power. A few gentle taps with a rubber mallet or the heel of your hand around the edge should help break the seal. Once removed, you'll see the internal workings. Take a moment to visually inspect the oil pump assembly. Ensure it looks clean and undamaged. To safely remove the central clutch basket retaining bolt, insert your gear locking tool between the primary drive gear and the driven gear. This prevents the entire assembly from rotating, allowing you to apply the necessary force to loosen that critical bolt. With the main retaining bolt out, you can now carefully remove the clutch basket assembly. As you lift it, pay extremely close attention to the orientation of the center washer. There are usually markings like outside or inside. Document this clearly, as reinstalling it incorrectly can lead to serious damage. Once the basket is free, you'll see the clutch spring bolts. Loosen these in a star or crisscross pattern gradually to release spring tension evenly. This prevents warping the pressure plate. Remove the springs, then lift out the old clutch plates and steel separators. Note the order and orientation. Quick tip, if you're looking to improve acceleration and clutch feel, now is the perfect opportunity to upgrade to a 5-bolt clutch system, which often offers better performance and longevity over the standard 4-bolt designs. All right, before we move on to the crucial reassembly, if you're finding this detailed guide valuable and want to keep your motorcycle running in top shape, please take a moment to hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel. We're dedicated to bringing you practical, professional motorcycle maintenance tutorials like this every week. And make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and how-tos. Your support means the world and helps us create more content for you. Now for the reassembly. Precision is paramount here. Start by thoroughly inspecting the transmission gears visible in the gearbox for any signs of pitting, excessive wear, or damage. If you find any issues, address them now. Fit your brand new clutch cover gasket. Ensure it sits perfectly flat and is clean. Begin stacking your new clutch plates and steel separators. Follow the exact pattern and orientation of the old ones, paying attention to any specific this side out indicators on the plates themselves. The last plate goes in, followed by the pressure plate. Reinstall the springs. Now, the retaining plate and its bolts. Install these and tighten them by hand first, ensuring they thread in smoothly. Then, using your socket wrench, tighten them in the same crisscross or star pattern used for removal. This ensures the pressure is applied evenly. A critical detail for the locking washer. Position it correctly and rotate it a half turn clockwise to lock it securely into the groove on the main shaft. This prevents the central retaining bolt from backing out. Here's the most crucial warning. The clutch basket and its related components are often made of lightweight aluminum. Do not over-tighten these bolts. Over-tightening can strip the threads, or worse, crack the aluminum housing. If you have a torque wrench, consult your service manual for the exact torque specifications and apply them meticulously. If not, tighten firmly, but don't use excessive force. Finally, clean the oil basket thoroughly. Install its washer, again, mind the in-out marking, and secure it with the special wrench, tightening it appropriately. Once everything is torqued down and secure, you've successfully replaced your motorcycle's clutch plates. Regular, quality maintenance is the secret to a long-lasting, high-performing motorcycle. Thank you for joining us today. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your riding community, and subscribe for more expert motorcycle maintenance tips. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video.